Hello, and welcome to day 3 of learning Java from chatgpt. So let's get started. Please give Okay, let's see what it gives us today. Control flow statements. Control flow statements determine the order in which statements are executed in a program. Java provides several control flow statements to manage the flow of execution, conditional statements and loops. If statements, easy, just like C and C++. So we have the normal. Normal like question equal to if else. Okay. So we've got normal else's. Okay. And basically basically the same as C++. With Java, the switch cases. So we have the switch, we pass in what we want to switch on. And we, for the cases, default. Yeah, same as C++ there. So, entire, while loop, do while. So let's see. So anything here that's actually that different from C++? Don't think there is. Okay, let's start. Okay. I'll delete this for now. And okay, let's get started with the first exercise. Write a program that takes temperature as a value. Well, we haven't done input, but okay. So I just declared before. So I think it's capital string, isn't it? String input equals. I predefined it as warm. Oh, it's my bad. Okay, 56. If input is less than or equal to 10, I don't know Fahrenheit, but it's 56, so print, no, it's probably going to be less than that. 30. Print cold if input is less than or equal to 50. Print warm else print. Okay, that's the first set. Oh, all the semicolons. Let's see. Oh, error. Oh yeah, of course. You need it in the old class. So class, hello. So it was like public. I see. Public static void main. Public static void main. String parts. Hopefully this online compiler has a built-in no, it doesn't. Format document. 3 errors. Oh, what am I doing print? I'm forgetting it's Java. So no system. Oh. Print line system out print line. Okay. That should work now. Yep, let's go. Takes. Let's go with this one. So, let's make some new ones here. Right, program. So I do input 0 if. No, we already did. Oh, I keep on forgetting the class. I have to do it in the same. Okay, here we go. So right, program. So we'll do int input 2. No, I'll just do 2 equals 45. If input 2 mod 0, no. That's equal to 0. So with if statement here, yeah. System output print line, we're gonna print even. Else keep it in print. Pod. Okay, there we go. Next exercise. Simple calculator using switch. Oops. Okay, so we do chart input 3 equals plus switch input 3 case plus system out dot print line A plus B. Okay, and we'll have the 2, so we do 8, 0, 15, and just 19. My favourite number, 24. Okay. Case minus. Oops. Oh, we need a break. So output print line A minus B. Okay, I'll leave it at this for now, as I've got the concept. Default system.output print line, and also the white screen I light mode is bugging me. Let's go like this. Okay, so that's that one. Penultimate one. Okay, so we're using loops in this one. No, just simple normal for loops. Okay, ChatGPT has a lot of exercises for me today. So for I 0, I is less than what we're doing. Give a number. I just do 12. It's going like on every exercise, and the fact that it's taught me input that hasn't. Oops, why am I doing 9 again? System out print line. So we do I times J, and every other, and then we'll print space, and here we'll do a new line. So we'll print /n. I forgot to test all the other ones. Wait a minute. What's happening? J0. I've already declared an I. Anything else? Oh, it's natural, isn't it? How do we not? Is it just print instead of print line? We do that. Okay. So I'm not sure what's happened. Yeah, we're starting at 0. Yeah, that looks much better. Okay. Nice. Now for the last exercise. Oops. Write a program to calculate the sum of the first. What? First n natural numbers. What natural numbers? Oh, goodness. So, write a program to calculate the sum of the first n natural numbers. What is a natural number? Oh, just Fibonacci. Okay, not too hard then. I think I do the. So while int count equals, well, this would be n. Int n equals 10. No, it's not Fibonacci, is it? Okay. Anyway. Well, n is greater than. We said 0 it matters, sorry. Int count 0 count plus equals n minus 1s. Then at the end we'll do the system output print n. No count. Hopefully no errors. 55. 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus. Anyway, hopefully that's right. Okay, so I think that's all for today's lesson. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.